Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a link or code to your text in Simplified's AI Writer tool. As you can see, we're starting this video in Simplified's AI Writer with a fresh document. I have a few words written down and I'm going to use them to demonstrate how to turn any of them into a link. So to start, let's say we want to turn this word, simplified, into a link. We're going to highlight it, come up here to the top toolbar and click on this link icon. Once we've done that, we'll enter the name of the website that we want the word to be linked to. In this case, simplified.com. We'll click save when we're done, and now that word, simplified, is a link to simplified.com. If we don't want it to be a link anymore, all we have to do is highlight it again and click the link icon again. Now it is not a link. And if you're curious, a shortcut would be to highlight the word, hit Command and the letter K on your keyboard. Same prompt, same answer, save, link, don't want it to be a link, Command, K. Now, you could go ahead and highlight one word in a sentence. You could turn a whole sentence into the link if you'd like. It's entirely up to you. And there you have it. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI Writer can help you create a professional blog post, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.